oh, where is pretty little Susie? Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie? Where, oh, where is pretty little Susie? Way down yonder in the paw patch. Now I get to tell you a new note today. Oh, so exciting. So here's what's going to happen. We've reviewed toddy, toddy, loo, 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 toddy. I'm going to tell you what it is, and then I'm going to tell you, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 songs you already know that have this note in it. So we discovered that Paw Paw Patch has a beat where there are 4 sounds on it. Everyone say 1 beat, 4 sounds, and they're really short. And when we have 4 sounds on 1 beat in music, we say Takadimi. Not tacos at like Taco Bell or Taco Palenque. We want Takadimi. Everyone say Takadimi. Say it 4 times. Takadimi, 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 Takadimi. So now we can sing Paw Paw Patch like this. Toddy, toddy, Takadimi, toddy. Toddy, toddy, Takadimi, toddy. Toddy, toddy, Takadimi, toddy. Way down, toddy, Takadimi, toddy, ta. That last Takadimi is in a different spot than the others. Okay, so are you ready for this song? You have to find the Takadimis in them. Chattanooga, 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 choo-choo. Chattanooga, Chattanooga, choo-choo train. If you guessed it was on Chattanooga, you are correct. And remember last time, or we learned the song, or maybe, I'm not sure if we did or not, but I know at some point we counted the number of Chattanoogas there were. And I think it was 12, which means there are 12 Takadimis in here. Good luck. Whole song with rhythm syllables. Takadimi, 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 toddy. Takadimi, Takadimi, toddy, ta. Takadimi, 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 toddy. Takadimi, Takadimi, toddy, ta. Ta, ta, Takadimi, toddy, ta, ta, toddy, ta. Ta, ta, Takadimi, toddy, ta, ta, toddy, ta. Pass 1 window, tidy-o. Pass 2 windows, tidy-o. Pass 3 windows, tidy-o. Jingle at the window, tidy-o. Jingle at the window. So we're not going to sing jingle at the window, tidy-o. You're going to go Takadimi, toddy, toddy, ta. Good luck. Instead of spinning, you'll just tap it in your hand. Pass 1 window, tidy-o. Pass 2 windows, tidy-o. Pass 3 windows, tidy-o. Takadimi, toddy, toddy, ta. Takadimi, jingle and Joe. Takadimi, toddy, toddy, ta. Jingle and Joe. Takadimi, toddy, toddy, ta. Whew! I almost gave another note away. Oops. Biddy, biddy, hold fast, lost my gold ring. 1, go to London, come back again. Biddy, 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 biddy. There you go. Takadimi, toddy, lost my gold ring. 1, go to London, come back again. Takadimi, toddy, toddy, toddy. 1, go to London, come back again. Wow. Ding dong, digga digga dong. Digga digga dong. Ding dong, takadimi ta. Takadimi toddy, toddy ta. Ding dong, takadimi ta. Takadimi toddy ta. Ooh, so many Takadimis. Takadimis. In and out the dusty bluebells. In and out the dusty bluebells. In and out the dusty bluebells. I am your master. Takadimi. Takadimi toddy, toddy, toddy. Takadimi toddy, toddy, ta. Takadimi toddy, toddy, toddy. I am your master. What about? There's 4 more. You can hang in there. Oh my gosh, Takadimi is so much fun. Kookaburra is another one. So the last 2 phrases, love Kookaburra, great your life must be. We will sing with Takadimis. Sorry, it was too high. Kookaburra sits on the old gum tree. Merry, merry king of the bush is he. Ta, Takadimi ta, Takadimi toddy, toddy ta. Man, the Takadimi songs are so great. They're so much fun. 2, 3 more. Circle to the left. Let me make sure I'm the right note. Circle to the left, old brass wagon. Circle to the left, old brass wagon. Did you get it? Circle to the left is Takadimi ta. Here we go. Takadimi ta, old brass wagon. Takadimi ta, old brass wagon. Takadimi ta, old brass wagon. You're the one, my darling. Now, the other one is bim bam, biddy biddy bam, biddy biddy bam bam, biddy biddy bam. Hey, biddy biddy hold fast and bim bam both have a biddy biddy. So every time there's a biddy, you're going to sing the Takadimis. Just for that first phrase. The last two phrases have other notes in them. We're not going to worry about them now. So we'll sing those with words and tap the beat. But the first phrase with rhythms. Ta ta, takadimi ta, takadimi ta, takadimi ta, bim bam biddy bam biddy bim bam biddy biddy bam, bim bam biddy bam biddy bim bam biddy biddy bam. Got it? Okay. Last one is the new song we learned today. So I'm just gonna sing it for you. And I'll raise my hand where the Takadimis are. It's at the end. Old Molly Hair, what you doing there? Running through the cotton patch as hard as I can tear. Old Molly Hair, what you doing there? Running through the cotton patch as hard as I can tear. Checka like a shackle like a shackle like a shay. Shaka like a shackle like a shackle like a shay. Ooh, on the shakalacas is Takadimi. Takadimi, takadimi, takadimi ta. Takadimi, takadimi, takadimi ta. Listen to the whole song and we'll add the Takadimis at the end. I got interrupted on my iPad. Shakalaka for Old Molly Hair. Ready? Here we go. Old Molly Hair, what you doing there? Running through the cotton patch as hard as I can tear. Old Molly Hair, what you doing there? Running through the cotton patch as hard as I can tear. Takadimi, takadimi, takadimi ta. Takadimi, takadimi, takadimi ta. Woo! Did you see how fast my hand was moving? Good luck. You can also go takadimi, 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 or on your legs. Takadimi, takadimi, takadimi ta. Takadimi, takadimi, takadimi ta. Okay, so your work is to pick one of those songs. Whew! Are you ready? Let's go through them. Chattanooga, or Tidy-O, or Biddy Biddy Holdfast, or Ding Dong Digga Digga Dong, or In and Out the Dusty Bluebells, Kookaburra, Old Brass Wagon, Bim Bam, or Old Molly Hair. One of those 9. Pick one of them. Sing them back, the parts with the rhythm syllables that we practiced, and send it back to me.